Hello, I am speaking Dr. Deshbandhu Vajpayee from Kanak Polytherapy Clinic and Research Center, 67/70 Bhusatoli Road, Bartan Bazar, Kanpur, and is before you. Today I will tell you about a new invention in Ayurvedic medical system which is known as Nali Fit, which is a device for diagnosis of Vata, Pitta and Kapha and other traditional fundamentals. About this machine, Vaidya Arun Arya, Ayurveda consultant at Ganj Dundwara, district Kasganj, and his mobile number is given, has informed me about this machine, and I got the more information what he has passed to me. The collected information is being produced before by me at this video. In this video and now if it you are seeing the external feature of the machine, but I have not used this machine at all, so I cannot say about its efficiency and its results and whatever the information it provides to Ayurvedic physicians. I don't know because I haven't got any person who gave me a realistic position of this machine so that I could access it and examine it and find its value according to the scientific manner. So in the scientific investigation that is very vigorous in every machine to find out the exactness of the results which is provided by any device is very difficult, and so in the research way of the devices, in research view, if you see, that is a very crucial job for every physician to understand the device and its technical aspect. I have not yet seen this machine, so I cannot say about the efficiency and results of this machine particularly. So one should go, if he is interested to purchase this machine, he should go and ask to any person which is related and have used this Nali Fit machine. He should go and ask the sellers to demo it, and then they think about the uh, use of this machine inside the clinic. So I will not say to anybody that this machine is perfect, but after demonstration, every Ayurvedic physician should judge about the purchase of this machine. And as I have gone through the literature, I have found it that it can be a very important tool to any Ayurvedic physician who is practicing in Ayurveda. So he should think over about it. Now this is my new building of Kanak Polytherapy Clinic, which we have established at Transganga in Unnao district, where everybody can get it, the facilities which we provide in our Kanpur center. So in this new center you are seeing the monitors and electrophysiography machine along with the laboratory which we have set up here, and our laboratory is well equipped with the modern devices. Here you are see the electrophysiography machine at the left side and the monitor at the right side with the oxygen concentrator, and this is the laboratory wing, laboratory table where you are seeing the devices which is, and the machine I use here you are seeing, which analyze the blood with Ayurveda way. So this machine is now the operating situation you are seeing here, and this is monitor and oxygen concentrator you are seeing here. So the man is examined by the Dr. Anurag Mandu Vajpayee, and this is the laboratory you are seeing, the Ayush machine which is analyzing the blood, and now you are seeing here. So the examination is going on, and on the left side you are seeing the electrothiosography machine, and now at the other side you will get it the computers, and this is Ayurveda Tridosha scanner machine, and below that the electrothiosography machine is settled. So in this center, which is situated in Trans Ganga, 5 kilometers away from Kanpur, is providing the similar treatment and other facilities, examination facilities in Ayurvedic way, with the compiled with the electrothiosography, Ayurveda Tridosha scanner, Ayurveda whole body scanner, Ayush blood analyzer, and paper chromatography and urine test, all are available in our this center, as we provide in Kanpur center. So 5 kilometers away from Kanpur, and everybody can come here. So this is situated in Kanpur Lucknow Capital Highway.